Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a very basic chocolate cake recipe. It's a very easy recipe, also called the crazy cake. If you search the net for crazy cake, this recipe is what you will get. Why it is called crazy cake? Because we're not going to use any eggs or milk or butter. So let's get started with the ingredients. These are the dry ingredients I have right here. I have 1.5 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And as always, all the ingredients will be available in the description box below. I also have my cake pan laid with a parchment paper and greased. And I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And let's go through the wet ingredients. Okay guys, so I mixed up all the dry ingredients, and you can see this is what we have right here. Now I'm going to make depressions in the flour. This cake is also known as the depression cake because we make depressions in the flour and we drop our liquid ingredients in there. And also this recipe was developed during the Great Depressions, and they had very limited resources. No eggs or oil or milk is used in here, so that's why. And we have right here our 1 teaspoon of vinegar, which I will drop it in this particular depression. And we have our 1 teaspoon of vanilla, I'm going to drop here. And next we have our 5 tablespoons of oil that I'll be dropping right here. And now we have our final liquid ingredient, which is 1 cup of water. Now we are going to drop it all over the flour. Now we're gonna use our whisk and bring it all together into a nice batter. So here it is guys, our cake batter, all smooth and glossy. I mixed up all the ingredients into a smooth batter, and now I'm going to transfer this to the cake pan and bake it in a 350 Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes. There we have guys, our chocolate cake, basic chocolate cake, depression cake, crazy cake, whatever you want to call it. This is an excellent recipe. I really like to make it for birthday cakes. What I do is I double the recipe. I make 2 cakes and I frost it. My kids love it, and this recipe gives me very consistent results. And I have made many cakes using this recipe, and I really hope that you give it a try and let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel, hit that button down below, and see you guys soon in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.